All right, so just want to take a moment and briefly talk about a consideration when it comes to learning in an era of copilots that can suggest all sorts of things to us. So I'm in the middle of exploring assembly code here, ARM64 assembly code, and I want to practice loading a number a second time. But if I have Copilot enabled, just by adding that comment there to remind myself what I'm doing, it will then generate the code for me to do the second number loading. It's even smart enough to pull a different label from up in my data section with the second number inside of it. So when I'm working on practicing learning something, I want to apply it again, which is crucial to actually internalize and learn how to do something. Well, then I don't want suggestions. So at that point, I need to disable any completions and then go about the work of actually applying what I've learned. So go ahead and load myself into X9, and it already gave away part of it, but that's fine. That's the easy part. And now when I come down to the second step here, which is to load into X9 the contents of the address at X9, I'm not getting suggestions now for the rest of this. And so I can go on here and store the value of X9 into the stack, offset by 16. And then when I'm done, maybe what I want to do is extract my solution, re-enable Copilot, let it go ahead and complete the problem. All right, looks like it's done. So now I can go ahead and paste in my solution here and I can compare the two. All right, that's exactly the same there as well. This wasn't too difficult of a problem, so it looks like it turns out to be the exact same suggestion that Copilot had. So keep this in mind. If you have Copilot enabled and you're trying to learn something, at times you need to disable Copilot. Otherwise, you're just going to let it generate code for you, and you're really never going to learn and internalize what it is you're trying to understand. And then on the flip side of things, once you've learned something, turn it on so you don't have to do so much typing.